guys, I'm Emily, and this is Joe. And this is our 1986 Toyota Odyssey that we have rebuilt from the ground up. And today we are working on finishing the ceiling. We are going to finish the countertops, and we're going to be painting the lower cabinets. So come along and wish us luck.
Good morning. Good morning. So the motorhome's in a bit of a disarray. Got all the appliances out and stashed around because we are going to be painting before anything's permanently fixed in. We thought it'd be a great idea to start finalizing all our cabinet paint colors, and you know, we have good access and we don't have the floor in, so we're not going to damage that. But yeah, start with some primer and some finish paint. It's going to be sweet. It's going to look really good. I'll show you what we're painting and we'll get started. All the faces underneath the table area, all of this is getting painted. Where the sink is, all these face frames. Behind the mirror, this will match the rest of it as well. This is all going to be wood. That's going to match up here, so no paint there. That's pretty much it, so it's not too bad. Walls are going to be a wallpaper.
Now begins the many steps of the painting process. We used Kills water-based primer because it kills. Thankfully, there is not a lot of surface area that needs paint.
The primer is all done. We're gonna let it sit, and then maybe tomorrow we can sand it and start working on that nice finished coat. Can't wait to show you the color too. But for now, this is why I don't like painting, guys. It's just a mess everywhere. And half the time, it doesn't look good, but we really tried for this. So fingers crossed. Time to start painting, and here's our color. I don't know, it's called Secluded Woods. Ooh, but it looks really cool.
Choosing our colors was a fun process. We favored every color with an earth tone vibe.
Okay, the first of maybe 3 coats is on the cabinets, and it will look good after maybe coat 2 or 3 because we went on super thin. We don't want any runs, and since I hate painting, I went on YouTube and watched a bunch of different tutorials on how to do this and make it turn out good, and almost every video says rolling it on with a nice, very nice roller. Roll it on thin, almost dry rolling it in a way, and after a couple coats it'll come out very smooth and even, and that's exactly what we want. So yeah. I mean, it looks like we're bad painters, but it's a strategy, trust me.
As we began painting on the final coats, we could see so much life being brought into our little tiny home on wheels. It was such a gratifying transformation, and it almost looks like we knew what we were doing all along.
It's time for the ceiling, finally. Putting up cedar. Yay.
We have been waiting for this moment for a long time. Time to say goodbye to that pink insulation and hello to a cozy, warm living area.
All right, a little progress update. We had to go buy more of the ceiling cedar because we ran out, but we just finished staining them and hope it's enough to complete over my head and over the kitchen area, but that's what we got so far. It looks good.
All right, guys, the ceiling is complete. All the lights are complete. Things are feeling pretty good in here. So now it is time to knock these countertops out. Let's stain them, let's seal them, so we can finally cook on them.
Check it out, we're doing a little bit of stain sampling on our butcher block countertops. We got a couple different oil stain just to, you know, get an idea of what's gonna match. I'm leaning towards one called Early American, and it's got a slightly warmer tone that matches the this cedar bit right here and kind of goes nicely with the green. I'll try and get a better shot of it, but I'm gonna go see what Emily thinks and see if we have the same taste.
It's hard to tell, but I think these ones are in the same color family.
And that is Early American. I told you guys, we're gonna pick the same one.
Huge thank you to everyone who voted to help us choose our stain for the countertops on Instagram.
Since Joe constantly is losing his pencils everywhere,
My bad.
and then sometimes I'm just sitting here kind of on standby helping glue or do little tasks, and I have ADHD, so I have to be doing something or else my brain is not happy. I also like to macrame and crochet, so I macrameed Joe a little pencil holder. These, I'll make a couple more and we'll have plant holders in here eventually when the renovation's finished, but in the meantime, Joe knows where to find pencils. And then when we do find them, they all go right here.
Thank you, it's perfect.
If you think this macrame plant holder or whatever holder is kind of cool, stay tuned because I am currently making a few now, but my vision is in the future I'm going to be making these in all the most beautiful destinations that we go to, and maybe tying in beads or rocks that I find from these beautiful locations. We'll see. And I'm gonna have a little art store, so when you go to JoeandEmmaLee.com, if you like what you see, you can buy it directly from your TV.
Yes.
And support us. And maybe we can quit our full-time jobs.
The counters have been cut and test fit. Now it's time to finish them for real this time.
Doing the pencil test. I'm gonna cover it in a light pencil coat, and then I'm gonna sand it down to the finest of sanding so that it's extra smooth and we can put stain on it.
We have never finished a countertop to be resilient and food safe, so as you can imagine, we are pretty nervous not to mess it up. It's a fun process to watch with the time lapse.
I'm on a love deadline. Gotta make it to you. I'm running out of time. I'm trying to find a way to make you mine. I'm on a love deadline. I gotta make it. Don't wanna lose you. I'm on a love deadline. Got till the end of the night to find you. Hey, I'm on a tight love schedule and it's overdue. I wasn't really looking until I saw you and love deadline. I count the minutes, always in the game to win it.
It goes without saying that if you're a guest at our house, you are getting sourdough pizza, and that's exactly what's happening.
It's all happening.
Or am I right on time to make you mine tonight? Time is slipping away. I need to get to
Apparently Bart has ghosted YouTube,
Bart's still alive.
and we have successfully forced him to do his first video in, what'd you say, 265 days?
205 days.
205 days. And we're rewarding him with pizza.
Which is 6 full months, 5 days, and 5 days and 18 days. That doesn't make sense.
5 and 18 days.
Thank you, ChatGPT.
He's back, everybody.
I'm dating someone, and they're very shy, but I am going to get them on camera here for a little bit, just a little bit. Y'all might have seen her if you actually have watched.
Alright, the stain is dry and it's ready for its top coat. Seal it in, protect it from water and light scratches and all that stuff. So I'm just going to take it out one at a time and get coating away. Alright, this is going to be our top coat. Satin, crystal clear. I'm not a fan of super glossy countertops, so this is stepped down a couple sheen.
There was a whole lot to learn and consider while choosing and applying the top coat. We watched a lot of YouTube videos and followed every precaution. Overall, the process went a lot smoother than we thought.
The time has come to install our beautiful countertops in their permanent home. So we got some holes drilled on all the framing that'll lock it down, but we also did some construction adhesive on every point of contact just to ensure it's always locked down and good. So never done anything like this. We'll line it up, but first touch the back wall.
It's like a real house.
We were together, that made it alright. Like my own sister.
We used a combination of adhesive and wood screws to attach the counters to the cabinet bases.
Bracelets I won't forget. Friends forever, like my own sister. Our souls weave together. Beaded bracelets I won't forget. Friends forever.
You guys, these turned out so professional. We literally blew our own minds. Let us know what you think in the comments.
Nobody's road is the same. Both of us went our own way. Our hearts have never changed. 'Cause we got our cabin days. Like my own sister, our souls weave together. Beaded bracelets I won't forget. Friends forever, like my own sister, our souls weave together. Beaded bracelets.
Well, this kind of wraps up this week's video, but we feel like we got...
Oh my god, Joe got a haircut.
Oh, I transformed my head, just like we're transforming this RV.
Thanks for being here, guys.
Yeah.
We appreciate you watching our progress. We are so excited how far we've come. There's a light at the end of the tunnel.
It's starting to look almost livable, which we couldn't really say for many of the other videos we've posted, but thanks for sticking with us, and please leave a comment because we love responding and hearing what you guys have to say. And
Do you like our design choices? Do you have any suggestions before we finish these walls? We got some wallpaper. We'll post some of the choices between wallpapers on our Instagram, so make sure you go on there, follow us, and vote and help us make the right decision.
and we got a surprise for you guys. In the next video, we're sitting on something that is
We're sitting on something that's a secret right now, but
like, subscribe, comment, bye. What is that? Is that your editing?
it must be.